Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix contact names that are not showing on WhatsApp. It's a simple fix, so let's go ahead and get started. If you open up WhatsApp and go to chats, this might show all phone numbers instead of contact names, and there's a couple ways you can fix this. First, back out, go to the App Store, and you want to search for WhatsApp. You're going to check and see if it needs some kind of update. If it does, please make sure to update it because sometimes whenever it does need an update, there are some bugs in the system and it does not work as well. Next thing you can do is go to Settings, scroll down to General, find iPhone Storage. You want to search for WhatsApp. Once you have found the app, go ahead and offload the app. All this will do is free up storage used by the app. It keeps documents and data safe, so you don't have to worry about any of your data disappearing. Once you're done offloading the app, go ahead and reinstall the app and then refresh it, open it back up, and see whether or not it works. Last thing you can do is go to WhatsApp, go to Settings, click on Storage and Data. You can then click on Manage Storage and then go ahead and try to clear the cache. Sometimes this might help with just making the app run a little bit smoother. And finally, you could just try to turn your phone off and turn it back on and see whether or not your contact names are now showing. But I hope one of these methods does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. If you have any video ideas, please make sure to leave it in the comments. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.